Okay, wa motshepa.
A ke motshepe, ke
Are
motshepa jwang?
he's using condom with the main girlfriend.
Ya kgonagala wena o e lebeletse
With
ntho ya
you,
kgona.
guess you are sad, mara I sebedise. It does not make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it makes sense. Atinali wena ke sebedisa go utsibo wena ka sebedisa condom atinali wena.
Na wa mbora wa tseba. Wa mbora.
Uthi yena abuye maka. Now get disappointed because ubuya maka. This guy is not make sure.
Bra. I'm making sure baba ngisho ngalento ngikhuluma.
It's not make sure.
Angazi ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ngikhulume nale chance akithi ukuthi ningizwisisa. I don't know.
Atsa re ke eng ne? Go tla mo no. Na a ke
O sa-
no
o sa
give
ya
up.
kwena?
A ke give up easily.
O mofa.
Ke mo fa jwang? Ke nya go rampontshe buhlenyana tse tsa gagetse.
But are you still going to sleep over now?
A ke sa a ke lo sleep over next year next.
I don't see you going back home.
Shewe.
I don't see you
Wena
going back home.
fitla mo charting ne. La ke tlo fonela buhle a fitle mo re discuss taba e.
Buhle o kena kae ditabeng tsa rena? O kena kae?
So le batla etsa threesome. Le tlo etsa di-threesome.
Nahan.
No, you polyandry what? Polygamy.
Ke ba tlo iluke taba e.
So
Taba e feng?
so batla tshela le bona ba le two.
Ya rona mfethu.
O batla tshela le bona ba le two.
Ndoda ayikho kanjalo.
E jwang?
Okay, phela makafika lo muntu lo ne. Uzohlukana nobuhle, ngithola. Uzosuka kubuhle. Isafike sikhulume le ndaba sibe sharp. Angifuni ukucabana nomuntu wami ngendaba yomunye umuntu ngihlangane naye.
Buhle wa tseba rona le girlfriend.
O tla tseba jwang ele main o le side.
Oh na actually I'm the side chick.
You know my side chick.
Eh?
You know my side chick. Side chick yakho no shebe side chick yakho.
No, ke ntho e bolelang no wa ke.
Yeah.